start over. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Sit. Good. Yes. Oh, good boy. Good. Oh, good. Good boy. Oh, bucket. Oh, good. Good boy. House. Oh, good. Good boy. Good. Good. House. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good. Good boy. Sit. Yes. Oh, good. House. Oh, good. Good. Good boy. House. Yes. Good boy.
Can I just do this with anyone I brought in here?
For sure.
Just throw one forward.
House. Good. So the key is to be going with him. Yeah. So if he jumps into you, have to be going away from him. You can't jam him up because if you go into him, you could injure him.
Okay.
So that's what they call jamming up a dog. It can ruin him for life. So lots of misses. If you make a miss, good. It'll make them come in faster and harder.
Okay.
House. Oh, oh good. Oh. He's just,
At least somebody ends up with them that you know that doesn't know anything.
Yeah.
You're welcome. So you can be somebody. We'll see you later. So tell that Alice before he is going to drop it.
Yeah, so once he's dropped it, you can make him sit and then reward him. Yes. So like this. He doesn't have anything. Sit. Yes. Oh.
Okay.
Good. I wouldn't do too much with the sleeve. He's going to start teething pretty soon. This is going to be your best friend right here.
Okay.
So he's got it. Ouse. So, oh, good. So see how well he's biting that?
Yeah, that's what Ty said. Ty said he's got a really deep bite.
Yeah. Good boy. Sit. Good. Down. Down. Sit. Good. Yes. Good.
So we need to do more work on down.
Yeah. I'm fine with you using treats for now. I mean, he's not ready.
Well, I need to.
Go with the leash on. And then bring him. Want you to stand right here. Yeah, and then you're in spot. Give it out. Good. Good. Give it out. Give it out. Good. Good. Give it out. Good. Oh, give it out. Give it out. Give it out. Yes. Good. Good. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, now run him around.
Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, so next time around we're going to do house pocket.
Okay.
House. Pocket.
Packing.
Oh, good. Good. You'll get the timing of it. Oh, good. Good boy. Oh, good. Good boy. Okay, we're going to do it again. Good boy. Ouse.
Ouse. Ouse.
Ouse. Pucking.
Pucking.
Oh, good. Good. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good. Oh. Oh, good. Good boy. Oh. Good boy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good, right there. Keep him back. Good. Pucking, pucking, pucking. Oh,
Good
good.
boy.
Good boy. Ouse. Ouse. Pucking. Oh, bring him. Come on, 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 come on. Puck. Oh, good. So when he does ouse, once he does drop it, let that leash go. Make sure you're not holding him back, because I want immediate reward. So see how he was outing cleanly when I was doing it with him?
He was completely spitting it out.
Yeah, like he hears the word ouse and he's like, boom, like right to it.
Yeah.
It's because we're not giving him immediate payoff. So we want to give him that immediate payoff.
That's why he's holding it.
No.
Tell him ouse.
Yeah.
Ouse.
Pucking. Oh.